everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sarah Khairatul Adha. I am from class 1D Pharmacy. Here I will explain text about intelligence, peer, answer a question and match the words and image. In part A, I will read out the intelligence peer text. Some scientists have predicted the healthy adults and children will one day as drugs to improve their intelligence and intellectual performance. A research group has suggested that these drugs might become as common as coffee or tea in the coming decades. To overcome this, students who take the exam might have to take a drug test just like athletes. There are already drugs known to improve mental performance, such as Ritalin, which is given to children with concentration problems. Medicines given to people who have trouble sleeping also help people remember numbers. This drug raises serious legal and moral questions, but people are already taking vitamins to help them remember things better, so it's not an easy problem to solve. It might be very difficult to decide at what point to take a dietary supplement be an unfair drug in examination. In part B, answer question with true, false, or don't say. 1. Only children will take pills to improve their intellectual performance. False. In paragraph 2 line 1, that is, some scientists have predicted that healthy adults and children will one day use drugs to improve their intelligence and intellectual performance. So not only children but adults too. 2. Intelligence pills are already as common as coffee or tea. False. In the first paragraph on the second line of research has suggested that this drug might become common as coffee or tea in the next few decades. 3. Coffee is a common tea. Don't say, because the text does not state that coffee is ordinary. 4. Students could have to take intelligence drugs before test. True. In the second paragraph of the first line, that in order to overcome this, the student taking the exam might have to take drug tests like athletes. There are already drugs known to improve mental performance, such as Ritalin, which is given to children with concentration problems. 5. A sleeping pill helps people remember numbers. True. In the second paragraph of the third line, it states that medications given to people who have trouble sleeping also help people remember numbers. In section C, match words on a picture exactly. The first picture shows a liquid preparation, which is a preparation containing one or more stable dissolved chemical in a homogeneous medium at the time of application. For example, Scotch emulsion, Batugin Elixir, Myclan bisulfone. In the second picture, show a tablet compressed preparation, which is compact solid preparation made by pressing in the form of flat or circular tube on both flat or compass surface containing one or more types of drugs with or without advice. For example, Bodrex, Panadol, Oxycodone, Paramexamol. The third picture shows the capsule preparation, which is a solid preparation consisting of a drug is hard or soft shell that can dissolve. The shell is generally made of gelatin, but they may also be made of starch or other soluble material. For example, Nature A N18 diaphat. In the third picture shows the preparation reagents, which can be the function to shoot the truth. Usually, this candy is used to get rid of discomfort. For example, words candy potassium. The fourth picture shows the cream preparation, which a semi-solid dosage from containing one or more dissolved or dispersed medical ingredients, the appropriate base ingredients, for example, ketonazole. In the first figure shows the drops preparation or drops, which are liquid preparation containing medical ingredients and carriers, where the dose of the active substance used in small amounts. The method of administration is dropping the drug, which the route of administration locally systemically. For example, a drops, nose drop. In the sixth picture shows the spray preparation, which is a solution that is put sprayer so that is used by spraying. For example, iodine. Okay, maybe that's all I say. Sorry if something is not comfortable. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.